Hey guys, today I'm really excited to see this hanging light for reviewing purposes. It comes with the instruction manual and I think that it's really nice because it has a really interesting design that I think that it can be perfect for wherever you place it. Okay, this is the main last picture and as you can see it has this milk white design and I think that it's really nice. It's quite big, which I think that it's perfect. Okay, I'm gonna set it aside with care. Okay, ensure it in place. Here we got the installation. Here we got the pieces that we're gonna use for the assembly and install it on our roof. And this side we got the rest. Okay. Here. Okay. We got everything set aside. We got the instructions right here. So what I'm gonna do is okay. Make sure that it's in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and start assembling it up, following all the instruction, and well, let's see how it looks all installed up. Okay, come on. Okay guys, as you can see, the proper assembly process and installation isn't that hard. The instruction manual, it's really clear with all the steps that you have to follow to install it, which I think that it's nice, and it comes with everything that you're gonna need to do, even the wiring, which I think that it's perfect. Talking about the proper main unit, I think that it's really nice. It has a really nice design, and the hanging rod allows you to select if you want a different height of it, which I think that it's really nice. The milk glass shade, I think that it's nice, and the combination with the brass finish, it's really nice. It has a really elegant design that I think that can be perfect for anywhere that you need it. And as I've said, it's perfect for multiple types of room, including your kitchen, your dining room, your bedroom, even for some corridor spaces. And it has a really nice semi-recessed design that allows for easy mounting on any kind of standard ceiling with the electrical boxes, which I think that it's really nice. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already installed and I think that it looks really nice. It has a nice design. The milk white glass fixture looks amazing, and I think that it has a really nice combination with the gold finish of the rest of the lamp, which I think that it's perfect. Overall, I think that it has a really elegant look that you can place it wherever you need it, in your kitchen island, your dining room, living room, wherever you want to place it. I think it's gonna be a really nice work. I placed this cold white light bulb, but in any case you can change it with whatever E26 light bulb base that you want in place. So set the mood different depending on where you place it or however you want to place it. Overall, I think that it was really nice. It was a really easy installation that didn't take that much long. Everything you can do it all by yourself, which I think that it's nice that it's do-it-yourself friendly, and well, I like it a lot and I would really recommend it. See you guys.